Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two of the most popular mesh Wi-Fi systems in the market, the Amazon eero and the TP-Link Deco AX3000. We will evaluate them based on a few categories and see which one comes out on top. But before we dive into it, make sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel to get notified of more videos like this. The eero covers up to 4,500 square feet, while the Deco AX3000 can cover up to 2,500 square feet with one device. However, the Deco can expand coverage by adding more Deco units. The Deco AX3000 boasts next-gen Wi-Fi 6 technology, while the eero supports the previous standard. This makes the Deco better suited for future and more demanding applications. The Deco AX3000 has more gigabit Ethernet ports, allowing for more wired connections. It also supports wired Ethernet backhaul for faster speeds. The Deco AX3000 uses eye-driven mesh technology to provide personalized Wi-Fi for each household. On the other hand, the eero relies on its patented True Mesh technology for better coverage. The TP-Link Deco AX3000 offers more robust security features through its Home Shield Pro paid service, while also providing free features such as network security scan and parental controls. The eero offers online security and additional network management features with a separate subscription. Both devices work with most major internet service providers, with the eero replacing your Wi-Fi router, whereas the Deco can work as a standalone Wi-Fi router or with other TP-Link Deco mesh systems. And that's it for our comparison between the Amazon eero and the TP-Link Deco AX3000 mesh Wi-Fi systems. Both systems have their pros and cons, and it ultimately depends on what you're looking for in a mesh Wi-Fi system. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below with your thoughts and considerations, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.